Namaste. Today we'll be focusing on cat-cow rolls and a little gentle 5-minute sequence to get your day or evening either started or ending. We'll begin with our mat, and you could use a gentle cushion or a blanket if you happen to have one. I tend to use the blanket at the second thickness so that my knees are protected. And if you happen to have sensitive wrists, I would encourage you to use your blocks, which I'll share with you today. From here, let's begin with our hands and knees on the ground or on our supported structures. And we'll begin with some cat-cow rolls. It's nice to start with just dipping the chest down and letting the shoulder blades come towards one another. And then exhale, press into the blocks or into the mat. And then again, draw the shoulder blades in, and then exhale, press. And you can continue for as long as you like, however that feels good for you. A different variation could be on your next breath. Inhale, look up, gaze up, and then exhale, round the spine. And we'll do 2 more like that. Inhale, look up, gaze up, exhale, round the spine. Last time here, inhale, look up, gaze up, exhale, round the spine. And then come to tabletop position. Inhale, extend the left leg long, tuck the toes, press back, find a stretch. If you'd like to invite the right arm to lift, find length, and then roll the right shoulder back. 2 more breaths. On the exhale, release the right hand, release your left knee, and let's switch sides. Extend the right leg, press through your right heel, find stretch. Begin to lift the left arm only if you'd like, and then roll that left shoulder back, gaze is forward. 2 more breaths. 1 more breath. Exhale, release your palm down, release your knee down. Let's press back into child's pose, hips towards heels. Now it's okay if it doesn't go all the way down. You can keep your hands right where they are. You can stay uplifted, or you can come all the way down to your liking, your choice. When you complete 3 breaths in your child's pose, we're going to slowly roll ourselves back up into tabletop position. And let's step our right foot forward between our hands. And if it stays back here, just take your hand to support yourself and bring your foot forward. On your next breath, keeping your left hand into the block as it brings the earth to you, take the right hand to your right hip and take a gentle twist, gaze towards the sky. If you'd like to extend your right arm to the sky or behind you in any type of a bind, you're welcome to explore those options. And on the exhale, we're going to return back to center. Straighten through the front leg as best you can, peeling the toes off the ground for a little stretch. Inhale, come back through center. Arms reach up. And then exhale, come back down. Release your knee down. And then take it to the other side. Take your time. When you're ready, go ahead and take that right hand into the block, left hand to your hip, and as you exhale, begin to twist from the lower ribs. If you'd like to take your arm up to the sky, you can take your arm up to the sky. You can reach it forward over your head and find the extension. On your next breath, let's return back to center, palm down, and slowly on the next exhale, begin to straighten through the leg. You can keep a micro bend in the knee. Inhale, come back to center. If you'd like to lengthen up and come up or lift the arms up, you can do that as well. And then on your exhale, kindly come back, tabletop position. Press back, child's pose. On an inhale, roll yourself up to seated. Remove the props from around you as we begin our descent into Shavasana. You can walk into Shavasana, crawl into Shavasana. If you're a practitioner that likes to add a full sequence, you can add that and roll yourself down. When you come into Shavasana, any variation will be fine here. And just allow yourself permission to rest fully. Take a nice big breath in and a vocal exhale. Remain in Shavasana as long as you wish. Thank you for sharing your practice with me this morning or this evening or even midday. Namaste.